Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my video series of my channel Learning Arabic Made Easy. In this lesson, I will teach you the calendar in Arabic. There are two types of calendars used in the Arabic world. Gregorian calendar, which is used in most of the world. Most Arabic countries use this as the official calendar. The Hijri calendar is used by Islamic countries in order to determine the proper days of Islamic holidays and rituals, for instance, Ramadan. So let's start with the Gregorian calendar. January, يناير, يناير. February, فبراير, فبراير. March, مارس, مارس. April, أبريل, أبريل. May, مايو, مايو. June, يونيو, يونيو. July, يوليو, يوليو. August, أغسطس, أغسطس. September, September, September. You notice it does sound like English, but in some countries like in North Africa, like Morocco, they also say Şutember, Şutember. October, October, October. November, November, November. Again, the same as in September. In Morocco, they say November, November. December, December, December. Again, in some North African countries like Morocco, they say Dujember, Dujember. If you noticed, most of the sounds of the month in Arabic, they sound more or less the same as in English, so quite easy to remember and learn. Let us now look at the Hijri calendar. As I mentioned earlier, the Hijri calendar is used in Islamic countries in order to determine religious holidays or to reference religious holidays or rituals, for instance, Ramadan or Al-Hajj. The Hijri calendar also has 12 months. However, there is no correspondence between any month in the Hijri calendar and the Gregorian calendar. For instance, Ramadan, which is the 9th month of the Hijri calendar, it could be on May, or it could be in April, or it could be in March. Each year is different. So this is an important point. Although they both have 12 months, there is no equivalence between the two. So, okay, so let's start now. The first month of the Hijri calendar is called Muharram. Muharram. The second month is called Safar. Safar. The third month is called Rabi'ul Awwal. Rabi'ul Awwal. The fourth month is called Rabi'ul Thani. Rabi'ul Thani. The fifth month is called Jumad al-Ula. Jumad al-Ula. The sixth month is called Jumad al-Thaniya. Jumad al-Thaniya. The seventh month is called Rajab. Rajab. The eighth month is called Sha'ban. Sha'ban. Ninth month, Ramadan. Ramadan. This is the holy month of Ramadan, during which Muslims all over the world abstain from food and drinks from sunrise to sunset for the entire month. 10th month, Shawwal. Shawwal. 11th month, Dhul Qa'dah. Dhul Qa'dah. 12th month, Dhul Hijjah. Dhul Hijjah. This is the last month of the Islamic or Hijri calendar, during which Islamic pilgrimage takes place in Mecca. The pilgrimage is also referred to as Hajj. Let us now do a quick revision of both Gregorian and Hijri calendar. So, Gregorian calendar, January, يناير, يناير, February, فبراير, فبراير, March, مارس, مارس, April, أبريل, أبريل, May, مايو, مايو, June, يونيو, يونيو, July, يوليو, يوليو, August, أغسطس, أغسطس, September, 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 October, 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 November, 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 December, December, December. Let us now revise the Hijri calendar. Muharram, Muharram, Safar, Safar, ربيع الأول, ربيع الأول, ربيع الثاني, ربيع الثاني, جماد الأولى, جماد الأولى, جماد الثانية, جماد الثانية, رجب, رجب, شعبان, شعبان, رمضان, رمضان, شوال, شوال, ذو القعدة, ذو القعدة, ذو الحجة, ذو الحجة. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, please add them to the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next lesson. مع السلامة.